Bismillah. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to LazeezDesiKitchen. Khush Abadeen. Let's make
chicken paratha pizza. Visit our channel for the chicken mixture recipe under chicken kebabs. Bismillah, let's begin. Begin by cooking your paratha. Cook on both sides halfway cooked. Like so. Keep flame on medium-low during this cooking process. Next, you need to spread some chicken mixture evenly all over one side of the paratha, like so. Add a thin layer to ensure the meat cooks through. Add any extra toppings of choice. I added some jalapenos. You can add sweet corn, peppers, olives, and finish off by adding some cheese on top. Flip over and cook on both sides evenly until meat cooks through. Place a lid over the pan to speed up the cooking process. As the cooking process goes on, the paratha pizza is looking delicious. Almost done. Alhamdulillah, our paratha pizza is now ready. It has cooked through and crispy, golden brown in color. Switch off the flame and serve. Drizzle over your favorite sauces and enjoy. Two-in-one pizza paratha is ready. Cooked through perfectly. Cannot wait to eat.
subscribe, like, and share.
Make for iftar and serve to your loved ones. A great new treat for any occasion.